Good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum Khachari. This is January 18 here at Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I show you these beautiful birds, pigeons, and this beautiful afternoon. This is so amazing. You see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in total. So 4 couples. And they are enjoying their afternoon here in this park. They are very cute and innocent birds, and they have another one just came in, so it's in total now 9. And see the colors, so beautiful, so amazing, eh? All just flew away. So let me show you this beautiful area. And this beautiful park and this beautiful weather. And this is Saddle Town Circle area, and there is a park for the kids and some grocery stores, and this is an apartment building. You see, it's so beautiful. And there's a police station behind. This is the park. There's no kids around, so hopefully you will like it. And if you like it, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and as well, because I share such good videos with you for your entertainment, for your enjoyment, and that's a great thing I am doing for you. So I'm just heading now to the train station, and I will take the train to the downtown Calgary. You see the people coming out from the train, the one there just arrived. And this is the bus station where you can take bus. This is the Saddle Town.